Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the reminder SMSs with an age analysis. In this video, we will start on the Build SMS email screen within the CRM tab. We will now take a look at the various fields and buttons within a Build SMS email screen. Filters for refers to whether the debtors list will be filtered according to debtors or patients. Click on the Filters for drop-down menu and select the relevant option. Age analysis is a feature within the Build SMS email screen where you can not only filter all the debtors or patients on the system, but also filter the debtors or patients by the age of their outstanding accounts. Tick the age analysis checkbox to enable this feature. Period refers to the time periods you can use to filter debtors or patients based on the money owed to the practice. Click on a period drop-down menu and select the relevant option from the list. Amount to filter means the owed amount to the practice will filter equal or greater than the amount displayed in the field. Click on the Amount to filter field and enter the relevant amount, or utilize the up and down arrows to adjust the amount manually. Click on the Gender field and select the specific gender to filter if applicable. Click on the Filter Debtors button. With the list now filtered, the Send Bulk Email button as well as the Send Bulk SMS button will be available to utilize. Once satisfied with the debtors or patients displayed on the list, click on the Send Bulk SMS button. The SMS Workflow Event screen will open. For more information regarding the SMS Workflow Event screen, please refer to the Workflow Event Template Setup SMS Template User Manual linked in this video's description. From here, click on the drop-down menu next to the word SMS. Your pre-set up SMS templates will display. Select the relevant SMS template you will use to send out the bulk SMSs. The Send Now checkbox indicates that the bulk SMSs will be sent out immediately. Alternatively, click on the Send Now checkbox for more options. Send Date, which defaults to today's date, refers to the day the bulk SMSs will be sent out. Click on the Send Date field to open the calendar and select the applicable date. Send Time, which defaults to the time now, refers to the exact time you wish to send out the bulk SMSs. Click on the Send Time field and select the applicable time. The list of filtered contact numbers will display under the Numbers section. Double check the message displayed beneath the contact numbers in the text box, as it is taken from the selected SMS template. Alternatively, type the desired message into the text box. Click on the Close button to cancel sending out the bulk SMSs and return to the previous screen. Finally, click on the Send button to send out the bulk SMSs. A Recent Jobs panel will appear, displaying the progress of the SMSs being sent out to the debtors and patients. Once done, the progress bar will turn from orange to green, meaning the SMSs has all been sent out successfully.